Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is my day 4 of my Navratri series and I hope you guys are liking it, and I'm actually enjoying doing these looks because it's actually kind of, improved a lot of my skills. Like for example, applying these lashes. They were so easy. I have never done such a cool toned look, especially my eyes, and it's actually very simple. It is simple for me, and I'm very sure I can do it, you guys. You can do it as well. If you want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching. So I'm going to start with the PAC Tinted Moisturizer. I'm not sure if this is still available, but I have it, so I'm just trying to make use of it, and I'm going to put that all over my face. Then I'm going to take the FARSALI Unicorn Elixir. This can also be used as a primer, so I'm already putting it on my face so it sets in. Then taking the ColourPop concealer, I'm going to put this on my eyelids all over till the brow bone area, and then I'm going to go ahead and just set that in using the Urban Decay Born to Run palette, this kind of bony kind of shade. Then I'm taking the same palette and taking this peachy pinky shade, and I'm going to put that above my crease and kind of blend it in a windshield wiper motion. And you guys, if you don't have this palette, make use of whatever colors you have. You don't really have to use this palette. I'm going to take this pink shade and I'm going to put that again in my outer corner and then blend it in using a windshield wiper motion. Then to intensify my outer corner, I'm going to take this brown shade, and honestly you can skip this shade because at the end I just go in with a black shade. So if you want, just skip it. I just was trying to create something, and yeah, I just used the black shade at the end. So I'm just going to take that and put that over my outer corner and then blend that in as well. Next, I'm just taking a concealer and I'm going to take it from my inner corner to almost halfway through my lid and create a cut crease. And yeah, I am obsessed with cut crease these days, so yeah, I'm just creating that. Then taking that bone color, I'm just going to set that concealer we applied so that the shimmer that we're going to apply on top of this actually sets in and doesn't move. Then I'm going to take this kind of charcoaly grayish kind of shade and I'm going to put that on that concealer we applied. I did feel that it was a little lighter in intensity than I would have liked it to be, like the gray that I was looking for. That's why I went in for the Juvia's Place palette. And I'm going to take this magic palette and I'm going to take the beautiful silvery grayish kind of shade and I'm going to pat that on my lid. I did spritz it with a mist, so I'm just putting it on my lids. And then I'm going to go back in and just blend everything so there are no harsh edges and you cannot see the differentiation between the shimmer shade and the black matte shade. Next, I'm going to go in with that brown shade and I'm going to put that above the peachy shade that we applied. So we blend everything and it's not too harsh. Then taking the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood filter in the shade 5, I'm going to put that all over my face to give that beautiful glow because the foundation that we are applying is matte. So I'm just going to take that and put it all over my face and then blend that in. Clip got cut, but I did use the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation and I'm using it on my face. Now you can see even with the Hollywood filter, although it does give a subtle glow to it, the foundation is really matte and this is genuinely my favorite foundation. I think ever since I filmed that video, I have only been using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. I haven't stopped using it. I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro concealer in medium beige and I'm going to put that underneath my eyes and then blend that in. Then I'm going to take my PAC translucent powder in the shade 04 and I'm going to set the concealer that we applied. Now I don't try to bake it too much because I don't want to be too stark and too brightening. So I just set that in and then just dust it off using the ColourPop brush. I'm going to take that brown shade and I'm going to put that in my lower lash line. I'm also going to mix it with the black shade and just smoke it out in my lower lash line and blend everything in. Next, I'm going to take my IT Cosmetics brow powder and I'm going to fill my eyebrows in. Next, I'm going to take this Jaunty Blue, I think it's a charcoal shade. I'm going to put that in my waterline. Then I'm going to take the bronzer highlighter duo by Sephora and I'm going to bronze my entire face. Next, using the Sweet Cheeks palette, I'm going to take that shade and put that on the apples of my cheeks. Then I'm going to take my Makeup Revolution, the Sugar Gold 2 Rose Gold palette, something like that. I'm going to use that shade and I'm going to put that on the high points of my face. Now, I thought it didn't give me too much, kind of glow on the high points of my face as much as I wanted it to. That's why I did go in with the pack highlighter and put that, and then you can see the glow. Then I'm going to take my Tarte Lashes Camera something mascara and I'm going to coat my lashes, and taking Come On Sis from the SHAYLA X COLOURPOP, I'm going to put that on my lips. And then I'm going to take this gloss called Neat Freak by SHAYLA X COLOURPOP and put that on my lips. I'm going to set my whole face with this Wet n Wild setting spray, and then to give that glow to my face, I use the Cover FX illuminating spray and spritz that all over. I'm going to use the pack eyelashes M78 and pop that on, and it just changes the look. It just goes from subtle to bam. That's pretty much it, you guys. This is the final look. Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are about this look. And also guys, if you haven't entered my giveaway, then I don't know what you guys are doing. Go check out the link over here. I will have the link of the giveaway over here, so you enter it, because the last day to do this would be October 18th, and all the details will be there in the description below in that video. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to follow me on my social media. And also guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please do so. Until next time, mwah, bye.